Hey guys, welcome to Vidovic Arts. I'm Josh, and today we've got some guns to show off. Now, I've also got this big box of goodies. You can see it's just like a whole bunch of stuff in there, and if you see on this camera, it's pretty much just the Marines that I've been working on and a whole bunch of spare parts. Pretty much I print out a heap of this stuff, and I didn't really have anywhere to put it, so I went and bought this container for, I think, $7, which is it's pretty good. It's for fishing stuff, and you can just chuck in your spare models. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you. Sorry if this is loud. These things right here. So, like I said, I have organized it. So we've got in this one we've got little shoulder pads, and in this one we've got backpacks. See here, and in this one we've got some legs that I probably aren't going to use just because I don't like the height of them. In this one we've got arms holding guns. This is the path we're going down. And in this one we have guns. So you can see right here there's a little flamer. Now the guns are what I want to be talking about, so I'm just going to grab all of these out nice and easily and chuck them on the table and we can talk about it further. And I'm going to grab these out as well because this is pretty important. I can't have one without the other. So here we have a big pile of things, guns and arms. Now you might not be able to see the arms very clearly, but here they are. So that is like a hand holding nothing, and here's another hand holding nothing. Oh, there's a lot of hands holding nothing. Do I have any actual hands holding guns? Yes, but I put it in the wrong box. Alright, so here it is. The hand holding a gun, or just a handle really. But the idea behind this is, if you actually have gotten official Warhammer before, this is a tactic that they use so you can customize your models even further. So if I get a... Now the sprue that I have here, I'm not really sure what this is for. I think this is for scouts. But I can show a little example here that doesn't have the hand, but you could swap that out for a gun that does have a hand, and, you know, Bob's your uncle. Anyway, with these, I know that this is a thing that you can do with the models. You've got this that's holding the handle, and you get this, it's a little bolt gun, and you cut off the bolt gun and you can stick it on like so, and you can pretty much do that for a range of different kinds of guns. Now, the thing that's different with my guns here is that I've gone and customized some from scratch. So you've got the typical bolt guns and the bolt pistols. We've got this flamethrower here, and we've got a whole bunch of other stuff like the sniper rifle and a bolt pistol, and we've got the heavy plasma launcher, I'm not really sure what that is, and a couple other bolt guns. But this is all I've printed so far, but I've actually got a few more models that I have been working on, and I'd like to showcase them for you. You'll be able to print them via the link below, and the arms will also come with them, so you can interchange them around and customize your models even further. So we can see this little render of a bolt gun. Pretty much it's just got the curved clip at the bottom. I would also like to say that these aren't the Primaris Marines guns, so they're not really long. They're the standard issue Space Marine bolt gun style. So they've got a rather short barrel and a short gun in general. Now the second bolt gun is almost identical, but that clip is straight. Now you could probably go around and cut off the clips of normal bolt guns and, you know, customize them to your heart's content, but I thought I would just add this one in here because I think it looks cooler than the curved clip. Now thirdly, we have the very strange bolt gun with the clip on the side. It is a curved clip, but this is a very World War I-esque style. I'm not really sure what the actual style is with the clip on the side, but I think it would work really well with some Chaos Marines. I think it's a very old looking style bolt gun. Now this is another clip on the side, but it is a drum. Again, I think this would work really well with Chaos Marines, just because of, I don't know, it's just got that old theme, old feel to it. But you could add these to any kind of Marines if you really wanted to. All you got to do is print it up and cut off those handles, which I think is really cool. Now we also have another drum bolt gun, but this drum is where the clip normally would be. Now, I've seen some drummed bolt guns, and the drum hangs a little lower, but I decided that I would put it into the actual gun to make it look more Tommy gun styled. Now, thirdly, we have the bullpup, which is the clip at the back. I'm not 100% sure how this would work. I don't know if you'd be able to cut off the handle and just glue it on, but I thought I'd add this because I don't think I've seen a bolt gun that looks like this. And yeah, I thought it might be cool for some of you guys. Maybe you could just add it as a sidearm option. And of course, we got the bolt pistol. This is the stock standard bolt pistol, or as close as possible. And yeah, it's nothing really too special about it, but it's definitely a must-have for anyone that wants to make Space Marines, because the bolt pistol is just that sidearm that, you know, goes hand in hand with any kind of Space Marine army. Now, this rifle I made for the Spartans, or the style of Space Marine that I made previously. It's pretty much just a bolt gun with a stock at the back, and it's a little bit longer. Now, you could probably cut the stock off and use that for another style. It's up to you. I think it's a really cool looking rifle. Now, this is the sniper rifle. I know this isn't what the sniper rifles are supposed to look like, but I decided to just go a little crazy and add the barrel in and the scope to the rifle that was previously before with the Spartan rifle, and I think that this looks really cool. I think it would work rather well with any kind of scouts or Space Marines that you want to have for long range. And finally, we have the flamethrower. Now, this is just a stock standard flamethrower. I copied it as best as I could. I think it looks pretty damn good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm keen to see what you guys do with these. You can customize them even more if you want to. If you are planning to customize them even more, you can take the model itself and attach it to other models, and then export those two models and print them off as one model. I know that sounds a bit confusing, but if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. And I hope you guys enjoy these, because I am really excited to see what you guys come up with. And yeah, get creative. Feel free to use them however you want. Make sure you share them over on Instagram and use the hashtag Vidivicarts so we can see what you are up to. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Massive thanks to my patrons over on Patreon. If you do want to support me, you can head over there and pledge a couple dollars per video or per month. It's completely up to you. You'll get a few extra bits and bobs, and I'll be eternally grateful, but I am already eternally grateful for you watching this far into the video. And that's the end. Thank you very much, and as always, stay awesome, everyone. See ya. See if we can remove one of the clips. Yeah, can we remove the clip? No, that's pretty stuck in there. What about the? Can you pull the bolt action back? No, it doesn't work. Oh, these are printed on resin, by the way, the resin printer. But I'm sure you could print them with the FDM printer. But yeah, can't wait to see what you guys do with this.